Hello everybody, I am Shrantal, the creator and owner of ApoTHEOSeS. This morning I will teach you how to receive and open a group notice or a gift from your inventory. First of all, you will receive a notice in your top corner right. So after you go on your People tab on your viewer, it's look like two people. You just with your mouse left click to open. After on the third tab, you click on the group for see all your group. Now we're gonna see on ApoTHEOSeS, you have to left click to highlight, right click with your mouse and view info. The group will open. On the third tab, you have the notice. With your mouse, you left click. After, you will see all the object or the gift or the just a landmark to go on the club or anywhere else. So for receive, for example, the new update from the Diane address, you left click and you click on open attachment. Decide in the message it's on your inventory. Okay, you click on the, it looks like a little bit suitcase, the inventory. The more easy way to find it, it's to go to recent. On the object, you will notice the gift Diana gone. I said wear me, but I don't know where I say on wear me. It's used to be add me. Because when you wear, it's good to say because I can explain to you. When you wear, sometime it's an object or clothes, another piece of your avatar can disappear. So it's important to add to yourself. Okay? To open it, with your mouse you left click, you right click the button of your mouse and just scroll down until just below where, under where, it's add. You left click with your mouse and you're gonna receive it. Close your owl for the animation.
Left click at the box to receive all my content into your inventory.
So you click on the cover, you receive a message. Always, almost the time they give you a message to accept. If you don't accept, it will not go to your inventory, so you click accept. You receive a message on the Nibi chat. It said you receive it. So on your inventory, now you notice you got the cover. And what is in white, I like, it's what you wear now. It's what you got. You don't want to leave it to you always. So what you do, you go to the box cover what is highlight. With your mouse, you right click and you detach from yourself. Okay? You don't forget to open again your owl. Owl, what is it? It's animation override. It's a kind of system who take charge to your avatar to give a human animation. You can go a lot of store offer the nice animation override. Just try all to be sure it suits your personality, and it will be more fun for you to have. I'm going to turn my neck stand so she will face. So as I said, it's much more nice to have an avatar who have your personality than the animation override Second Life give when you arrive. Okay? So let's return to inventory receipt. You got your box cover gift and you got your folder. Keep your box because if you got a problem you can open again and again it's copyable. Just left click with your mouse and slide it inside your folder. You click 2 times and you will notice all the dress. You see here it's extra small one. This is a copy. This is my mistake. You left click, you right click and you delete. You don't need it. So it's okay. Now it's clean. The people say, I have classic avatar. Why you don't think at us? No. Fit mesh can be wear by the classic avatar. You have to choose the size is suit your avatar the best, But to hide the part under your dress, you will have to hide this part, alpha. The alpha always hide all your body part just behind the dress or the clothes. Don't forget never to wear it. So, or to hide it. You left click to select, you right click, and you hide. Now my avatar is a mesh. For hide the part, if I see the part, I will have to take my HUD, my avatar HUD, and to click on the alpha, the button, the part to hide behind my body. Okay? So that's it for how to receive gift. Thank you. I will make some else video, and like this, you will know a little bit by little bit how to play on SL, and I hope I will help you for on this way, because me too, I was newbie one day, and some people was very nice to come and help me. It was hard to learn sometime, but with the video you can rewind and listen as much you want. So have a nice day. Goodbye.